Here's a little video of my 2014 Street Triple R. It has a few nice little additions. As you can see, the Austin Racing GP2R exhaust. Makes a lovely sound. Also, it's had the other bits like belly pan, the colour-coded rear hugger, all the crash protection, the wheels were also painted a nice diamond white to match the bike. It has also added the quick shifter, which makes a big difference going up the gears. It's got the addition of heated grips, the upgraded brake levers, also the sat nav holder, and then one of the main things which was fitted by Triumph was the slipper clutch. Brilliant for coming down the gears, going into corners really fast, no lock up on the rear wheel. It's also had the Power Bronze clear screen, which makes a nice difference when you're travelling fast, high speed. Good wind protection there. The R&G bar ends protection. So I'll just start the bike up so you can hear the exhaust.